Hopefully Ian's still down to film with us today, boys.
What?
Ian, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, bro. You still want to film today?
Yeah, I'll be down to film in a sec. Just give me a minute here.
Yeah. You're good, bud. Alright, boys, Ian's downstairs getting ready right now. I got a little prank. Obviously, you can tell by the title what this video might be, but what we're working with today is like a little smoke type thing where it's like just powder that shoots out that's colorful. He doesn't know what we're filming, so I'm just gonna tell him that it's like, I don't know, some sort of sponsorship we're doing with a sneaker cleaning company. We're gonna go test it out outside and it's gonna blow up. I'm gonna say the chemicals are just like not good for you. We'll just see what's up. Sorry, one more time, bro. I'm just making sure this camera's off so we can keep the charge. What's up?
Oh no, I just asked him what we're filming.
It's gonna be such a casual video, man. We've got like a sneaker cleaning company hit us up. They want to do a sponsorship. It sounds like crap. They literally said when they were sponsoring the video that it was like, it's toxic, you can't breathe it in or whatever. So I don't know why I'm getting sponsored by them, and I don't know why I'm saying yes, but the money's right. So we're just gonna, I don't know, do like another sneaker video again. Well, I think we'll take it outside right away and just test it out, just so we kind of know how to deal with the product. It's, I think, a spray solution. It's apparently toxic, so I don't know if you want to wear a mask or whatever, but...
Wow, like it's really toxic?
No, probably not. It probably, I don't know. It sounds sketchy now.
I think there'd be a better way of cleaning shoes. Like...
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm... But, hey, man, they passed up a check, so... Actually, here, I'll just turn on the camera real quick. We'll just go vlog mode. If you want to, I'm trying to vlog this whole kind of day thing so we can get 10 minutes up. Just grab the camera, we'll go outside right now and just try it right here. So this is what it is. Just like a little stick. And I guess you just pull it and spray. But I just kind of wanted to test it before we actually get filming the real stuff.
Alright.
Oh, I gotta grab my shoes real quick. Give me a second.
Yeah, I should grab mine too.
Good to go, bro?
Yeah.
You don't got a mask. Where's your mask?
It's sneaker cleaner, man. Like...
It's toxic, bro. You don't know.
How bad could it be? It's shoe cleaner.
Alright. Here, I'll give you that.
We're on.
Look at this. What a weird lever. It's like the way that it sprays, bro.
That is strange.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna test this outside first?
Yeah,
like
we're just vlogging everything.
Alright. What the holy shit, man, what is that? Get a what the hell's going on, man? There's no way. Dude, put it down. What? Put it down! What are you doing? Jesus, man! Should I call an ambulance? What?
It's like a little smoke thing.
What?
I'm just joking.
Man, what, bro? Man, what the is that?
It's just literally like we're doing like a sneaker custom today. It's just like chalk smoke.
What?
It's fine.
Oh, so it was a joke?
Oh yeah.
Jesus,
It's
man!
That starts of the video, man. Is that camera still on?
Man, you can't stop doing this to me, man. Like,
Sorry, you get now?
Yeah.
I'll explain in a second with you and the boys. We'll do the intro real quick. Should I just sit here with the computer?
Actually, the lighting's better, like back, like over there, sort of by the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you could just maybe stand there.
Back in action. We're back in the action, boys.
Wait. Could you take a step to your right there? No, that's sorry. Other way.
Better?
You know what? Let's just sit down in a regular spot.
This is not good lighting?
Yeah, it's not as working as good as I thought it would.
You sit here then too. Yeah, we'll do it together. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys.
Hey, what's up, boys?
Dan. Okay, now this is the part where I have to think. Today's a wicked day, boys. Today we go back to our sneaker basics. Now, if you guys have only been with the channel for the past year, maybe 2 years, you probably haven't seen my existing past on YouTube. It's actually kind of bad. YouTube's been shutting me down for it. We used to destroy a lot of sneakers. It's really cool to come back to the sneaker game for a second, man. We're doing a sneaker custom, pretty much. What are we most noted for? Probably deep fried Yeezys. Yeah. We've done that. Yeezy Slurpee or Sneaker Slurpee, done that. Yeezy Skates, done that. We've done it all, really.
Yeah, I don't know if we could come up with new ways.
Exactly, and that's why I kind of quit. Everyone's like, what happened to the sneaker videos? I don't care about sneakers, that's why I destroyed them. I thought it was funny, it would piss weird people off. I didn't run out of ideas, but I ran out of kind of the passion to make these cool sneaker customs until I came across a TikTok ad. Shout out Jill.
Hi, Jill.
Hi, Jill. She sent us actually an Instagram video from a TikTok dude doing this. Oh, I haven't showed you yet. Sorry, I'll show you. We'll watch it all together, boys.
So we're doing a YouTube video based off of an Instagram of a TikTok?
It's like a TikTok some guy made of like customizing his shoes. I'm like, I should do that. I should copy him. So shout out where it's due. This is from Austin Sprints, by the way.
So I've been seeing the smoke bomb things on TikTok, and curiosity got the best of me. I wanted to try tie-dyeing something with a smoke bomb, and the results will be in this video. There's no part 2s on it. It will be at the end. But anyways, I threw them in there, and it was really hard to breathe in with the smoke everywhere, and it kind of hurt. But I waited a whole day, and this is a day later, and I'm taking them out for the first time, and I don't know, the box looked really cool. I was really hoping for good results, and I was not disappointed. They look sick.
There we go, boys. So that's what we're doing today in kind of that custom. What you just saw outside was that stuff. It's not toxic or anything. I already looked it up. I checked with the guy that I bought it from. Once again, also shout out to Austin Sprints. I don't know who he is, but credits where it's due, and hopefully he doesn't mind me using that video. Cool. This is like old times, man. I'm stoked about it. I don't know about you. All right, boys. First step to this TikTok hat. Is that what they call it? Something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
We need a box.
What kind of box?
Ow, nice. Also, let me hold on one more thing. I hit my head.
Also, yeah, you just about knocked yourself out in that door frame.
Sucking up shoes. Oh, don't follow me into the dirty room, ass. You know that's not how it's supposed to be.
Is that it?
We got shoes in a box and you need the other things. Here's your instructions. First off, have Jordan DIOR 1's. Now, these are not what?
Aren't those like really expensive?
These aren't real. Yeah. Oh. So these ones aren't real. I got them off a TikTok ad, but I thought they looked cool in the thumbnail, to be honest, and it gives us another sneaker to work with. These are fake. That's what happens when you shop on TikTok. These ones right here are real. I don't know how much they're going for right now. These are the Pirate Blacks. Actually, they got a little painting on them. Right
yeah,
here.
those look like they've already been customed.
Yeah, a little bit. That's from my mom. My mom painted those right there. But these are very expensive. Over $1,000, I'm pretty sure.
No. Tell the story.
Yeah, so when my dad passed away, I was smoking a lot of cigarettes. My mom, she's an artist. She thinks really crazy. She's like, put down the cigarette is what that was. She painted it on my YEEZYs. I told her she could paint whatever she wanted, and she's like, pick up a joint, pretty much. So
that sounds just like your mom.
I mean, everything's weird that we do. So anyway, there we go. Now let's get the explosives and go outside. Got the shot.
Yeah.
We're starting with Jordan DIOR's, the fake ones first, boys. This is a little tester.
Are you gonna do it from here?
Yeah.
Why? Okay, but just I don't know why. Why don't you go closer?
Oh, dude, I breathe in the stuff. It's all in my nostrils. I'm just gonna
wait. So it actually is toxic then?
No, it's not. It's just like chalk that's in my nostrils. I'm just gonna like chuck it in and then lunge and then throw the cap on it.
Okay, sure.
You ready?
I think that could work. Yeah. Let's.
Oh god.
Oh, that's a good start.
Oh god.
No, that's not.
What color was that? I think I just did the white one.
That was the white one.
Idiot.
Man, that's like.
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
First custom in the making.
Maybe.
The guy that did it waited 24 hours. I don't think we need to do that necessarily. I think once it's done smoking, it's good.
Yeah, I mean, I really don't know how long this kind of thing takes. Is that box strong enough? Can't believe that thing holds your weight.
Dude, I'm 380 pounds of muscle. I'm surprised too, actually.
380 pounds?
At least. Oh god. She's leaking. Is this good, do you think?
I honestly don't know. Whoa.
He waited a day. I feel like he's not lying now.
Yeah, that's some heavy smoke. Whoa.
Oh sh.
Okay.
That's my mom's box. I didn't want to say that, but it is.
Well, I think it's your mom's.
She really wanted it back.
It's your mom's literal trash now.
Well, let's look at the freaking. Oh my god!
Wow.
Look at the outcome, bro.
That's wild.
Dude, are you getting invited on that?
Whoa. I'm actually
so surprised.
I never thought that would work.
Dude, like off camera, I'm so surprised.
Yeah, I didn't think that would do anything. I thought it'd be like,
holy hell.
Even the white, it looks like. You can see there's like splotches.
Dude, it's time to bring out the YEEZYs. Mom, if you're watching, she watches every video. No, I didn't mean to break the box, man. I didn't mean to break the box, bro. I've already done it once in my life, you know, and it's when you had me. And now, it's happening all over again.
Oh, that's a thought.
Luckily, my mom lent us another container that will not be destroyed this time. This is the big ones, man. Ian and I were just talking off camera. I don't want to wreck them, but I really do think if I don't dig it, I could just wash them out in the washing machine. But you gotta give them a go. Show Zontar X a second real quick. What a guy. Last go. I'm gonna be a man about this one.
That why you're wearing sandals in the snow?
I didn't even think about that, bro. It really hurts, actually. Alright, Ian, step back, buddy.
All right.
Let them live! Let them live?
That, I don't know if that works. Oh wow, that one does not seal well. Holy.
I almost broke another box. Oh god. Whatever. Gets over the neighbor's yard. Gets over the neighbor's yard. What are they gonna do? Oh, you
know
put
what?
pink on my snow.
You know what? I'm pretty sure the neighbors around here, either they're used to you or they would have moved by now.
It's a good call. It's a good voice of reasoning or whatever that means.
Yeah. I mean, we hardly ever get those flaming sacks of dog craps left on the doorstep anymore. I couldn't tell you, man. I think
shake them up. Oh, they're done.
Oh.
Oh, great! It only wrecked my mom's painting. That's awesome.
Here.
Okay, we're done.
The light.
I actually didn't think it would wreck it. It wrecked it.